Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Picture a quiet morning in the Japanese countryside. Mist clings to rolling green hills. In the distance, rows of tea bushes stretch neatly across the land, their leaves are deep, lush green. Farmers move carefully between them, their hands gentle but practiced. This is where the journey of the Matcha Frappe begins, not in a bustling cafe, but here, in the tea fields, where every leaf tells a story. Matcha is no ordinary tea. It comes from the Camellia sinensis plant, the same plant used for black, oolong and most green teas, but grown and processed in a unique way. A few weeks before harvest, farmers shade the plants with special cloths. This shading slows their growth, allowing chlorophyll levels to rise and amino acids to concentrate. The result is a richer color and a smoother, sweeter taste. When harvest time comes, only the youngest, most tender leaves are chosen. These are quickly steamed to preserve their color and prevent oxidation. Stems and veins are removed, leaving pure leaf matter, and then comes the slow, patient grinding in traditional stone mills. It can take an hour just to produce 30 grams of matcha powder. The result is a vibrant, silky powder, as fine as the softest talc, carrying with it the aroma of fresh grass and sweet earth. For centuries, this powder has been the centerpiece of the Japanese tea ceremony, a ritual steeped in tradition, mindfulness and respect. The ceremony is not simply about drinking tea, it's about harmony, purity, tranquility, and appreciation of the present moment. Every gesture, from the scooping of matcha with a bamboo choshoku, to the whisking into a frothy, emerald green liquid with a chasen, has meaning. It's an art form, a meditation, and a cultural treasure. But matcha is more than tradition, it's also evolution. Over the years, it has found new expressions, moving beyond the tea ceremony into kitchens and cafes around the world. One of the most popular and playful transformations is the Matcha Frappe. A frappe is a chilled, blended drink that's both refreshing and indulgent. It's a mix of crushed ice, milk, and flavoring, whipped together until smooth and creamy. When matcha enters the picture, something magical happens. The deep, slightly bitter notes of the tea meet the creamy sweetness of milk, creating a balance that's both energizing and comforting. The making of a matcha frappe starts simply. Into a blender goes the matcha powder, ideally ceremonial grade for a smooth flavor and vibrant color, though some use culinary grade for a bolder, more intense taste. Next comes the milk, traditional dairy for richness, or plant-based options like oat milk for natural sweetness, almond milk for a nutty undertone, or coconut milk for a tropical twist. Sweetener follows, perhaps sugar, honey, agave, or even condensed milk for extra indulgence. Then comes the ice, cold, crisp, and ready to be crushed. When the blender begins, the sound is sharp at first as the ice breaks apart, then turns into a steady hum as the ingredients combine. The matcha dissolves into the milk, tinting it a brilliant green. The ice shatters into tiny crystals, giving the drink its signature texture. Slowly, the mixture transforms into a thick, frosty delight, smooth enough to sip, but with just enough body to feel substantial. From its striking green color to its smooth, refreshing taste, the Matcha Frappe is both energizing and indulgent. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.